Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at a world famous culinary herb, the rosemary, which is also called the Salvia rosemarinus. So as the name suggests, this belongs to the salvia, mint and most other aromatic herb family. This plant gives out those characteristic blue, white or pink blooms when under full sunlight. These blooms are also edible. Though this is world famous, I think a lot of us in India only got to know about this herb with the advent of Pizza Hut and such Western food chains. This is a native of the Mediterranean region and even some parts of Asia. The leaves of this plant are needle shaped and this is quite frost hardy, but don't count on this fact too much and treat it as a warmth loving plant. This is also deer resistant. This is very drought tolerant, but long periods of not watering will only stress out the plant and eventually kill it. The two major types of rosemary are the upright ones like this, and there are trailing varieties as well. Seed germination with this one is difficult, so like I have done here, you can easily propagate it with a stem cutting. So take a cutting of this plant, usually some new shoots like this or even old ones work. Strip off the leaves from the bottom and cut the growing tip like this and insert it in a well-draining soil. Add water and in just a month or two you'll get a very transplantable plant like this. This plant has fibrous root system and spring and summertime is the right time to transplant it. Now take a bigger container and add some drainage materials, and for the potting mix in general, the rosemary likes a well-draining mix of 40% sand, 30% compost and 30% soil. Place the plant in the center and backfill. Now water the plant and keep it in a sunny location. So quickly, let's look at some basic rosemary information. So this likes full sun to dapple shade, expect more flowering with more exposure to sunlight. The plant smells even better when under full sun. If you are in a coastal area, this plant can be grown there as well. The Mary in the plant actually stands for marina. Next will be watering. So water this plant consistently during summer, but don't overwater this plant. It hates very moist soil. So depending on its sun exposure, you need to water this plant. Fertilizing it with just compost, especially during summer, is enough. You don't have to worry too much about pests since this is a pest repelling plant in its own right due to the pungent smell it gives out. Camphor or curpurum as we call it in India is a major compound present in the essential oil extracted from this plant. Though a lot of folk medicines count this as a medicinal herb, there is little scientific evidence to support these claims. So whether or not it has medicinal properties, it can surely enhance your eating experience with its flavorsome additions to your pizzas and pastas. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. And if you like this particular episode, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, goodbye.